gonna show you how to make a really great rehydration drink, also called a labor aid, that's perfect during all of pregnancy while we're building up our blood volume. With blood, obviously we need to hold on to our hydration. That's why we're so thirsty. And then this is also perfect for during labor when we're doing all of that hard work, and after labor when we are holding our sweet baby and we are absolutely starving and super thirsty. It kind of replenishes all those electrolytes and all of that water that we need. This is super easy to make it yourself. It just uses lemon juice, maple syrup or honey, sea salt, and baking soda to cut the acidity of the lemon juice. The sea salt is where we get most of the electrolytes from. I'm Kara from Health, Home, and Happiness, and if you are pregnant or you're about to give birth, this is definitely something you're gonna wanna have on hand. I am excited to show you how I make it. I make a new batch every few days and I just kind of drink it out of the fridge, diluting with water depending on how much I want more electrolytes or how much I want more water in my drink. If you're pregnant and you find that you are so thirsty, but you feel like you're peeing out just as much as you're drinking and your body's not holding on to it, that's where this electrolyte drink can really be helpful. As with everything, check with your doctor if you have any questions. So I will show you how to make this. It's super easy. So the first thing that we're going to add is lemon juice, and it's just 1 cup of lemon juice, which you can use 6 to 8 lemons if you want to fresh juice them yourself. You want to do this in a biggish container because when we add the baking soda, it's going to bubble up. Half a cup of honey or maple syrup. Raw honey can be really yummy in here too. 1 teaspoon of sea salt. And this is for our electrolytes, and yes, salt is an electrolyte. Very essential nutrient. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. So the baking soda interacts with the lemon juice to make it not so acidic. It just kind of cancels out some of the acidity. And we'll just stir that a little bit. This can stay in the fridge once it's made. I'd probably use it within a week. Then I have these glass water bottles, and so I like to put just a little bit in the bottom of the glass water bottle and then fill the rest of the way with water from my Berkey water filter. I like to use my Berkey because the charcoal filter really gets all the impurities like chlorine out, and then it also has the fluoride filters. So we do not use fluoride in our house, and no, my children do not have cavities. So here is your yummy hydration drink. You can adjust the amount of the lemon concentrate. This is super concentrated. So I really just put like probably 1 inch in there. You can adjust the amount based on how it tastes to you. And then I like to fill all these up and keep them right in the fridge. And they're so good, nice and cold from the fridge. Any time of day, I try to drink at least half of one of these in the morning so I get a good start to my morning with electrolytes. And the kids like these after sports practice, or sometimes they just want some of mine. Super good for the kids. I'm happy to let them have it. If you're low carb and aren't doing the maple syrup, even though it ends up not being a whole lot per serving, you can use stevia instead to sweeten it a little bit, or you can just completely go without it. So what I usually do to store the rest of this concentrate is I just make this is my smaller water bottle. And so I just make this one really concentrated and I add it into these bigger ones with more water. And so that's what the concentrate looks like. And I do just go ahead and add some water to it. You don't have to. And then as we need to refill these, we'll just use this and add a lot more water. So that's it. I hope that this helps you feel more hydrated for pregnancy, birth, sports, switching to the carnivore diet, keto diet. This can help with the low carb flu as well, which is from a lack of electrolytes, a lack of water, just kind of your body learning to rebalance itself. If you would like other mom-to-mom advice, including yummy recipes that go along with every week of pregnancy and early breastfeeding, just like this labor aid that we made today, I would love to have you check out my book on pregnancy. The Empowered Mother is a 42-week guide to the decisions made through pregnancy, birth, and baby's first few weeks. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you back soon.